अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन। आज हम एक और एडिटोरियल डाउन न्यूज़पेपर डिक्टेशन के साथ हाजिर है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। ब्रोकन प्रॉमिसेस। एडिटोरियल डाउन न्यूज़पेपर। An election manifesto is perhaps the most important document that political parties use to make an ideological connection with voters. It lists priorities and policy that political parties intend to execute in pursuit of their broader economic, cultural, and political vision if voted into power. Full stop. Once the elections are over, the voters might use the manifesto to remind party leader of the promises they had made to the electorate and hold them accountable for their sins of omission and commission. Full stop. But such is the fickle nature of Pakistani politics that almost every party manifesto contains empty rhetoric and is published more as a formality than to spell out concrete plans they actually intend to implement. Full stop. New para. Now wonder a policy note released by the state-run Pakistan Institute of Development Economic has found past election manifesto of the PP, PTI, PMLN inadequate and missing out and crucial microeconomic, constitutional, and social issue. That means the political parties do not have any concrete blueprint to work on if they are voted into power, which underline their myopic approach to governance as well as their ad hocism and subjugation to vested interest that undermine Pakistan's long-term development. Full stop. New para. Otherwise, an analysis of the social media discuss of the leader of these parties from 2018 to 2022 shows that they seldom discuss substantive issue and party positions on issue of significance and as outlined in their elections manifesto. Their entire political discourse revolves around their family logics and personal grievances and frivolous criticism of the rulers of the day. Therefore, it is not surprising that a growing number of people are becoming disillusioned with politics in general and the electoral exercises in particular. Full stop. Hence, Pied researchers have rightly advised political parties to align their discourse discuss with their pre-election commitment to voter full stop. The upcoming polls offered an excellent opportunity to political party and their respective leader to restore their credibility in the eye of the voter by informing the latter though their elections programs as to what solution they have to Pakistan multiple overlapping economic, constitutional and social issues and how they intend to implement them. Full stop. I hope so you practice, and if you have any question regarding shorthand you may ask in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.